if you've got a Samsung phone that's coming up with either of these symbols on the screen, it generally means the sensor inside the charger port has detected that water has got in. This one has been dry for a little while, so there's no more water inside, but it's still coming up with this error on the sensor. Now there is a way to bypass this. Best way to bypass it is holding in the Bixby button and the volume down. Now this will restart the phone and bypass that issue. Now the issue is generally as well, it won't be charging. So once this turns on, I'll show you a workaround to bypass that, but also charge the phone, which is quite simple and easy to do. Just make sure it turns on and show you that it does bypass that error through the sensor. So as you can see, it does say that it's detected there's an issue with the charger port. Now the way to get through this is unplug it first, get yourself a wireless charger, and that wireless charger now will charge your phone. Now as you can see, this one's still indicating that the charger is plugged in or there's foreign material inside. As you can see, it's not plugged in. So this is probably showing that there might be dirt within inside the port. Now I do have a video that will show you how to clean that dirt out. I'll just leave it up in the corner there as a card for you. So you can check that out to show you how to clean out the port, which will hopefully stop this issue. If it still continues, you've cleaned out the port, there might be an issue with the actual port in general. And if that's the case, it may need repairing because as you can see, it won't let you bypass that. So I've given the port a clean out and turned the phone off and on again. And as you can see now, it's wirelessly charging with no issues without the error message coming up. So hopefully that helps solve your issue. Thanks for watching.